And good morning, folks. It's your old pal, Uncle Al. Now, this is a short one. Everybody, this is Prepping 101. I don't have it listed, but everybody's wondering, why does Uncle Al buy Jif? Always. Well, for feeding 4 or 5 people, you get Jif. Now, nice thing about this one is this is blueberry. Now, how much for this little box? 25 cents. So for 50 cents, Uncle Al got 2 of them. Now, I remember I told you there's different varieties of Jif. Yellow cake mix, 68 cents. Golden yellow. And always I buy buttermilk biscuits. Now, a lot of you is looking at me like, huh? Well, nice thing about buttermilk biscuits is I can make pancakes, I can make donuts, I can do anything with this. Now, they have cakes, muffins, biscuits, brownies, pie crust, pizza crust, baking mixes, waffle mixes, you name it. They have a lot of these. And I'm just showing a few. And they also have the traditional corn mix. You can make cornbread out of them. Just takes 2. Again, less than $1. So how many boxes does Uncle Alan have? Well, altogether about 7 boxes. There's one box I'm trying to find, and that's the brownie mix. That's the really hardest one to find out of that. So anyway, this is Prepping 101, and everybody's asking me, what about Jif? And also, this isn't a double-edged knife. It's a single-edged, see? It's style of the old German type hunting knife. I like it. It's my pro counsel next to the whatchamacallit lock blade. This is my favorite because I know how to use it. And they always say, why you always have the edge up? I don't know. Because edge down, it's kind of limited, or you have it sideways, or you can have it reversed like this. This is traditional. A lot of people don't know what's going on, but Uncle Alan's nice and quiet and don't really care. You know, people are trained different ways. It's like you put a smile on their face and have something sharp. So I'll catch you later, folks. You have a nice day.